If your projects keep running over time, over budget, or feel inefficient, the problem might not be your skill. It might be your tools. Manual measuring errors delay installations. Poor lighting affects precision. Cluttered apartments waste usable space. Smart gadgets get bought, but never integrated properly. Small inefficiencies compound into big losses. Each item follows. Problem, solution, benefit, who it's for. Problem: manual tape measures create alignment errors and slow site visits. Solution: a digital laser measurer captures instant, highly accurate distances even across long spans. Benefit: reduces measurement time dramatically and minimizes human error. Who it's for: architecture students doing site documentation, contractors estimating materials, CAD users verifying dimensions. If precision matters in your workflow, this tool changes everything. Crooked alignments cost time and damage credibility. Solution: a self-leveling laser projects perfect lines across entire rooms instantly. Benefit: eliminates layout guesswork and speeds up installation. Who it's for: contractors, renovation specialists, cabinetry installers. Clean lines separate professionals from amateurs. Problem: small apartments feel cramped due to fixed furniture. Solution: a foldable wall desk creates workspace only when needed. Benefit: maximizes square footage without sacrificing usability. Who it's for: students, remote workers, small condo owners. Smart design isn't about size, it's about flexibility. Problem: harsh overhead lighting makes spaces feel smaller and less premium. Solution: layered smart LED lighting creates depth and architectural ambience. Benefit: instantly upgrades perceived space quality. Who it's for: homeowners, interior designers, smart home buyers. Lighting transforms space more than furniture ever will. Problem: installing flooring on damp surfaces leads to expensive failures. Solution: a moisture meter detects risk before installation. Benefit: prevents costly rework and protects your reputation. Who it's for: contractors and renovation professionals. Smart builders measure before they commit. Problem: people buy smart devices but never integrate them properly. Solution: smart plugs automate existing appliances easily. Benefit: affordable entry point to intelligent homes. Who it's for: smart home beginners and apartment owners. Automation should simplify life, not complicate it. The difference between average spaces and optimized spaces isn't talent. It's systems, better tools, better workflow, better design decisions. This channel exists to help architects, contractors, and smart homeowners make smarter upgrades. If this gave you value, subscribe, because the next videos will go deeper. We build smarter here.